Hello Year 1, welcome to lesson 4 in time, and today we are looking at, can we estimate the duration of time? In other words, can we make a good guess? Estimating means a good guess of how long things take. So in our picture we have here, we have a maths lesson, and here we've got a music lesson, and there's a question and it says, how long is a second? Anybody know how long a second is? Okay, let's see if we can look at this next question. It says, is singing a song likely to take a minute or an hour? So a second, if we look under here, it tells us how long a second is. It says clap 3 times. 1, 2, that's about a second. So a second is very short. And then if we sang a song, that's about 1 minute. It takes about a minute to sing a song. And then if we have a maths lesson, that's about 1 hour. So we have a second, and then we have minutes, and we have hours. Does anybody know how many seconds make a minute? That's right, it's 60 seconds make a minute. How many minutes make an hour? That's right, it's 60 again. So let's see if we can have a go at doing some activities to see how long we can take for things to do in seconds and minutes. And it says here, it says the teacher, well, someone at home, or you could, a friend or your brother or sister or mum or dad, asks you to do an activity, to do something, perhaps hop 10 times or touch your toes 5 times or sing a song or brush your teeth, whatever it is, and discuss with the person how long it took. It says it seemed to take 10 seconds, it seemed to take 5 seconds. How long? See if you can guess how long things take. Because we're trying to guess how long a second will take. How long does it take for a minute? And how long does it take for an hour? If you have a phone or an iPad, you've got a timer on there. See if you can time yourself doing various things using that timer on your device, or it might be on a clock. If you have a look at my clock, my watch, there is the long hand, which is the minute hand, the short hand, which is the hour, but there's a little hand going round. Oh, so not very clear, is it? It's going around. Can you see this hand here? It's counting seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or sometimes when we count, if we put the word Mississippi in, that gives us a second. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi. That's the length of a second. It's a very short duration of time. So let's have a look at our guided practice today. And it says fill in the blanks with either the word seconds, minutes, hours, and then it goes days or weeks. How many hours are there in a day? Does anybody know? That's right, it's 24. Sometimes people say 24/7, which means 24 hours and 7 days in the week. So then how many days are in the week? We've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. There are 7 days in the week. Let's have a look. See if we can fill in the blanks. Okay, it says a train ride from one side of London to the other takes about 30 something. Now, is it 30 seconds? Is it 30 minutes? Is it 30 hours? Is it 30 days? Or is it 30 weeks? What do you think it would be? That's right. It's 30 minutes. What's another way of saying 30 minutes? Can you remember? That's right, it's half an hour. Let's have a look at the next question. It says, I sleep for about 8 something each day. Is it 8 seconds? No, it's too short. 8 minutes. 8 hours? 8 days? Or 8 weeks? How long do we sleep for? That's right, it's about 8 hours. And the last one says, I take about 5 something to walk from one part of the room to another. Is it 5 seconds? 5 minutes? 5 hours? 5 days? Or 5 weeks? Well, I hope it's not weeks or days, or even hours, or even minutes, because it should only take about 5 seconds to walk from one part of the room to the other. See if you can time yourself today and this week doing various things. Perhaps when you wash your hands twice. How long? We're singing happy birthday twice, but how long does that take? See if you can time it. See if you can time yourself brushing your teeth. How long does it take to brush your teeth? See if you can time yourself to do a maths lesson on Google Classroom. How long does it take you to do a worksheet or to watch the video? Have a go at timing various things this week to get the idea of how long a second and a minute and an hour is. So have a go at worksheet 4, page 110.